So this one came to me as a question from support, and basically we're looking at Bluebeam PDF. Got various documents open, but we're going to focus on this one with a table built into it, and it has dimensions that we're going to use in an Excel table. So using the text selector tool down here at the bottom, I select that, and then we've got our cursor highlights, and we can scroll to grab the text that we want to select, and then we can just either right click and copy, or you can just use Control C. And then we're going to jump into Excel. And right now I have a blank table or blank sheet, and I'm going to right click in A2, and there should be a paste. If you have any other options down here, the chances are you have something copied from another source, because typically in Bluebeam, when you're grabbing that text, it's just going to come in as a single paste option, no formulas or anything like that. And we select. And the reason I left a blank one is for headers, just in case you need those. But I'm going to select A2 through A23. It's a single line of text, and there's nothing in column B, despite the fact that the overhang. So I'm going to select A2 through A23, and I'm going to go to Data and Text to Columns, and we're going to delimit by space. And I'm going to uncheck the tab, and then I'm going to hit Next, and just leave it all as general. I'm not changing it to currency or anything like that. These are all just generic text. I'm going to hit Next and Finish. So now we're left with columns that are broken apart as they were in our PDF. And so like our fourth column over is 1.65 for the 10S wall and 1.65. So we are good to go. Now, if I want to get rid of column A, I can highlight those, and I can delete and shift cells left and then hit OK, and everything will be truncated back to the column header start.